Well, that's great. I just cop into the microphone as my greeting. Brilliant. That's me. Hello, everybody. Hi, Roxy. How you doing? So today, got a message from the boss the other day saying there was an issue with the distribution that I sent over. So we need to go and fix some bugs on this for our morning task. So basically, when we start our system, the wallpaper is still showing the wrong wallpaper. Basically, we need to figure out why that is, and what else isn't working. And the host name that we fixed last time is still not working properly. It's better. It's showing the name of the live CD. It's not showing the name of the but it's not showing the name of the change system that we do. So let's go and look into that. And yeah, I think I'm a bit EP as well, judging by that introduction. Let's crack onto this though, see if I can wake up. Great, still not working. Why is that broken? For those who don't know, I have a keyboard shortcut to open a terminal. For the last week it's been broken. I'll have to go and look into fixing that. But not today. Today, I've got stuff to do. Right. What's that? A friend DM'd me. He's usually like, any idea to do this? And I was, yeah. They have to do it in Scratch. Fuck me. My kids learn that. Right. Oh. Let's have a think. So. Let's look at this. That's DE. What I do wonder is, should I bump up the package release date while I'm here? I think I should update the packages while we're at. We'll do so let's do that. So update the package list, we do catalyst S stable, and what this does is it pulls in, if I spell it right, it pulls in a brand new portage snapshot. Give me magic letters. Knowing you, Roxy, you want something else that's magic. Okay, and so what that does is... oh my good god. That guy's following me again. I swear he's a stalker. So this here is a commit hash for the full a portage snapshot direct from GitHub. Hi Damien, how you doing, mate? Morning. So let's delete that, pop that in there. What I'll also do is pop this in here because I'll forget in a bit. It's got fun notification. I don't know what's gone on with it. Maybe I should redo the overlay. Or we could look for a new overlay today, see if we can fix it. Maybe we'll do that for one of the breaks. Actually, we could do that in a minute. Let's get this to build. Well, the talk-to-speech is completely broken unless you subscribe to me, apparently. Brilliant. Okay, we'll spend the day fixing my overlay today, I guess. You guys can help me pick one that you like. I think you're the ones that look at it. So, let's get it to the end of an era. What's it been? It's been a year since I last changed my overlay? Great. You're making me all feel guilty now. Hey, I read it out for you. I could do it in a robotic voice. How's the talk-to-speech doing today? There you go, see? OpenMLOI is evolving. It's got like a talk thing now. Oh god. Oh, I've already had one coffee. Apparently that's gone straight to my head already. It's going to be an interesting stream today, folks. So let's see how this builds. So what we're doing then is, just to recap, is I'm still waking up. We have given Livestream, the name of my distro, a new portage snapshot to use to update the package base to what Gentoo is today. The last time you sent me OpenMLOI's got anti-spam, you see. And what's that? You finished part of the app, download, sets up stage through a catalyst, works amazing. The create this program. Wait, when it works, you are the best programmer ever. I can't argue with that. But on the same thing, when it doesn't work, you're the worst programmer ever, so. Right, let's make sure this is going to start. Right, that's going on. Brilliant. Okay, let's go and take a check, see what we can find. So let's Control T. Where am I going? Stream elements. Oh, Holiday Spirit. It's not anywhere near Christmas. Why are we doing Holiday Spirit? Oh my good god, why can't I get this to work? Oh, I could get a Justice League one. Space Force, let's have a look at this. That's just weird. Let's not go for that one. No. Why do I get the feeling I'm not going to find one I like all day? Let's take a look at this one. Oh, I suppose I want that, don't I, really? What do you think about this one? Let's try it. Let's see if this fixes it. Copy. Alright. Where is Studio? There it is. Ooh. Alright, let's see if we can get this working. So oh no. Don't have the points. Right, let's see. Okay, so let's start working there. I'll go here and then here. Oh, how's that building going? That's still building, that's fine. Right, so let's get rid of the camera. Okay. Can you move this? Why do I not know what I'm doing? Right, where's the thing? There it is. Right, let's see. Right, enable that. Click voice. Here we go. Right, and then I think we like Sharon, is it? Scarlet. Open up the settings. Oh, what? So you can see my Steam key. Yeah. I might be stupid. I'm not that stupid. I hope. I probably am that stupid. Okay, so that's the follower one done. So you are. I probably am. Give me enough vodka, I'll be stupid enough to do anything. This is when what's his name comes in and says stupid enough to sleep with your boss. Okay, so there's that one done. Cheer alert. Okay. That one. What's left? Right, okay. So we save that. And Luna's the leader. Luna's good at making people do stupid things they shouldn't be doing. It's a gift, isn't it, on her part? Right, so we got that. So I think all I need to do then is just copy this, put it into the other one, and it should work. Let's give it a go. Let's try this. Twitch overlay. Oh, shit. Fuck's sake, why can't I work this? Right, let's put that over there. I'll put it in the top corner. Oh, shit. Oh, should we... I don't know, I'll put it there. Oh my god, why is that? Oh, I've moved the chat over, haven't I? Oh my good god. Why am I so stupid? Right, make that a bit smaller. There we go, right. So now, it should work. Right, how's this doing? That's going through. You can check in on YouTube. Haven't seen them this morning. Hello YouTube people. How to get better at Gentoo. Kind of just break things and see where it goes. And what do you see me in the YouTube recommendations? Well, YouTube knows what it's doing. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, sucker, how are you doing? You missed the opportunity to take the piss out of me. Hopefully that works. Oh, minute. What was you saying? Oh, at the bit at the bottom. What are you doing bad for? Oh, where's the usernames? Right, let me go and look at, let me have a look myself. Yeah, you have a nice little view. Right, let me make that large screen. Oh yeah. Well, let's see if it works first. That's Mr. Twitter to you. Thank you very much. For fuck's sake. I can't win with you guys, you know. I'll try and fix all this stuff so you can have a great time. Ah, unlucky. Oh, we're updating Misa. Nice. I suppose I better fix it, ain't I don't even got half this bloody... Wait, how do I move this? Is it... Ah, look, I can do that. I don't even have Facebook. There you go, it looks perfect, doesn't it? Let's just do that. There we go. Ah, good idea. I'll see if it works first before I mess around with it anymore though. We're nearly finished with this part. Oh god. Just empty space now. What? I could put a message of the day in there. Like, I don't know, I suppose it would be I love coffee today or I love vodka today. And it'd just rotate between those two messages. Eat bread, drink beer. Or drink beer, sorry. No, bear it is. Drink beer, that's it. That's what the message is going to be. Alright. How do I make this work? Why can't I figure out how to do this? Oh, I don't know if I can do it. Bloody hell. You won this time, I think. How do you do it? Why am I so bad at this? Right, let's let that go. There's a what? Where's the plus button? Bottom left. What? Bottom left. Where's the plus button? Oh, there. Oh. 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 Look, shut up. Oh my good god, why am I so stupid? Right, let's go. Alright. Now I'll change the text. Fucking hell.
You have 5 seconds to terminate this tape.
Ah, got it.
4, 3, 2.
Nope. Come on. Text settings. Oh, you can make it scroll. Apparently you can't. Right, now where do you put what's in there? Why can't I see it? Help! I tried that. So you'd think it'd be there, wouldn't you? Text settings.
You have 5 seconds to terminate this.
Oh, is it one of these?
5, 4,
No.
3, 2, 1.
No. Oh, this isn't embarrassing too much. This is supposed to be taking the piss out of you, and I've ended up just taking the piss out of myself. Ah, there it is. I found it. Wait, what did you say you wanted it? Eat your bread. Drink your beer. Drink your beer, sorry. There we go. Oh, there you go. That does. Right. Let's just save that, run away, and we'll pretend I did that really good last time, okay? Don't tell me it's broken. It's perfect. It is the perfectest thing you've ever seen ever. Ah. God. I can't believe how stupid I am sometimes. You're gonna be, but the best bit is though is I'm gonna forget all about it and someone's gonna ask about it and I'll be like, what? Why did I do that for? Oh. It's the rest of your desktop anyway. I mean, that is true. I mean, it's a pretty good desktop if you ask me. So a bit later on today, I'm thinking about looking at i486 today. Basically, with 6.15, i486 support's getting dropped from the kernel. So I thought, why don't we go and check that out, see if it's actually true. See how i586 does as well. I think that would be quite a good afternoon thing, especially after this fuck up. Right, last two packages, then we can jump in and start doing some bug fixing today. Right, there we go. So that's this building. So what we'll check next is we'll see what the FS script does. So the FS script is basically a way that Catalyst lets you run commands inside the char root before it makes an ISO image. So we can get it to set certain tasks, make users, stuff like that. I wonder if I've left in that something that sets the wallpaper.
Almost heaven, West Virginia,
What is going on with this music? Right, so it's building the first stage now for us. There we go, right, that's that done. So, if I do second stage, what I want to do is... Let's bump the names up, so that's going to be... Version 1.7. Got the 3 gigs of space. I need to check this script out. This is the FS script, so if I copy this, but what I'm also going to do is remove Ava, and the reason I'm going to do that is I'm going to let the system boot, change the host name, and then run this program, and I think that'll fix it. In my head, I think this works. So let's do that. Let's check this. Right, there's nothing set in the wallpaper there. Okay, let's save that then. And then let's run catalyst AF. Hopefully it doesn't build a new kernel. If it does, we'll play a game for a little bit. Go and check it on YouTube while we're here. My friend keeps talking about how he just installed Gentoo. What's so good about it? I don't know why he keeps talking about it. It's just a good distro, to be honest. But it gives you full control to do whatever you want to do with the distribution. You don't have to fight it. You just tell it what you want to do, and it does it. That's kind of what makes it stand out compared to other distributions. That's the best I can think of at this time of the morning. Anyone else got any ideas to help me out here? Right, let's go to build this kernel. So let's go and play a game. So I've been stuck playing Bounty on 1 for the last few weeks. It's been out for a few years now, but I find it, I've only just learned about it, because, you know, it's me. Install Nick, that's... No one wants to install Nick. Let's turn the music off. Right. Let me turn down the level so I can show you. Remember what you need to do? Oh yeah, every time something fails I've got to do 5 push-ups. No, yeah, so even though I'm going to start the thing now, every time something fails we're going to do 5 push-ups, and then the next time 5 sit-ups. What else would you say after that? Squats as well, didn't we? I suppose when we get really good, we could turn it into doing. We go for like a 5k run as well. Yeah, this game's really simple, but I'm absolutely addicted to it at the moment. So you get the little coins, and then you get a level up. Let's go for a bit more attack speed. So now I'm shooting faster. So obviously it starts off quite slow. Let's go and increase my crit chance. Right, the ones with the red bars are the deputies. So they've obviously got more health. When you beat one of those, you get an extra chest with a bonus in. Okay, with these ones, you can get some better ones. So if I go for this one, it changes the size of my the damage I can do. So it's either going to decrease it by 20% or give it a bonus up to 80%. So it's worth doing this one. Obviously, oh shit. Obviously, while you're talking, make sure you're not getting hit by a projectile. Let's go for some more attack speed. Could be looking like what's the nigger? Oh god. Let's go for some even more attack speed. We're going to be going. What are we up to now? I would think 6 shots a second at the moment. Yeah. Right, what we got here? Deals damage. Oh, you get 10% for every health you got, but you move a bit slower. Let's go for that. Oh, I'm definitely feeling the slowdown on that. Let's re-roll, see what we get. Okay, let's take this one so we get some more damage. There we go. Now we're over 100 per hit. Nice. As you can see now, I'm getting more enemies on the screen. More attack speed. I need some more movement speed pretty fast now. Yeah. Let's pick up my... Let's go for another reroll. Here we go, look, even more damage now. So we nearly do. Oh, we're doing over 200 attack now, I think. Okay, I don't really want a fast enemy while I'm walking really slow. What's it? Let's go for this one. So now, whenever the projectile hits the side of the screen, it's going to bounce. It bounces off enemies as well. Pierce, so this one's going to make the thing shoot through enemies now. So as you can see, look, it goes straight through them. This gets better when you're later on in the game and you've got like 100 enemies on screen all after you. Go for more attack speed. Yeah. Right, what are we gonna go for? Let's go and pick up some more. Ugh. Don't walk into the enemies. Oh shit. There's another deputy there. Okay, what are we gonna go for here? Oh, shoot 4 times faster but 3 times less damage. Just go for it. Let's go for the movement speed because there we go. Now we're moving about normal. We need more damage though because we're quite low. So the build we're going for is as much attack speed as possible. But we'll have to probably get some more. Oh shit! We'll have to get some more damage in there. Let's re-roll. There we go. More attack speed. Let's go for more. So you can see now that we're over, well, getting to like 30 shots per second at the moment. Uh-oh. That. Oh, great. These are the sheriffs, so basically a boss. Cerberus dog, as always. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. And with this one you get even better upgrades. So what we got here? Lightning hits an enemy every time you walk, or your attack speed is 3 times faster when you're close to him, but 3 times slower when you're far away from it. I think that might be a good one. Ooh, that's going up fast when they get close. Let's go and get some of these. There we go. Let's get some more attack speed. Uh-oh. Playing games while you're building a kernel, probably not the wisest decisions. But... Uh-oh. Let's go and pierce through another enemy. Uh-oh. What we got here? 70% of enemy. Whenever you take damage, triple your attack speed for 5 seconds. Rerolls. I think we'll go for this one. More damage. When a player kills a deputy, yeah, let's go for that one. So basically now, when you kill a deputy, any enemy of the same type on the screen is going to die. As you get further into the game, that's a handy one to have. Let's take speed. Oh, we're up to like 50 a second now. More attack speed? Oh. There we go. Right, let's go and get some of these in. Bit more damage. Always target deputies, let's go for that. Nice. Bit more damage. Oh yeah, what was that? So you got a really interesting result from voting. 2 candidates got second round. One probably sent to... One wants to send the polls to Ukraine, while the other wants to sell everything we have to the Germans. Yeah, neither of them sounds like a great option, to be honest. Although Poland and Britain sound quite similar. I'm guessing we've imported our, exported our stupid ideas to your country now. I do apologise. Hey, I'm sorry that I couldn't run, you know. That's what they need to do. They need to change the rules so I can run for president. I'd be a great president. I'd ban war, and I'd make Gentoo the default operating system for everyone. I'll just literally just tell Putin war's banned now, sorry. I'm sure he'd listen. Hello, I'm pretty glad today. Britain's actually sorting out working with the EU again, so that's good. We've put our standards back to match the EU's. We've got a little bit of freedom of movement again, and at the cost of some fishing rights. Very good news. Oh, and we're a part of the security pact again, which is actually going to make us some money. That should mean that I'm going to start seeing some money back in my, well, in my pocket again, hopefully. Obviously the newspapers are saying that we've sold out our fishing rights, even though the fishing rights, well, the money we make on fishing's dropped by half, but... Oh shit. Ugh. Hey, I'll read your message in a second. I can't do two things at once. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. There we go. Right, what's that? What's that? Maybe you can switch back from Charlie Rubles to Great British Pounds. You can only do one thing at once. That's just mean. True, but mean. Right, what we're going to go for? Let's re-roll. Every time you move 2 meters, you load your shot with 2 more projectiles. Let's go for this one. This one marks everything with a chaos icon, and then everyone you pick with that chaos gets a 4% bonus to your damage. Could be handy. Let's just go for this one though, a bit more. Probably want to work on my crit damage next. Oh, fuck me. I'm in the hundreds now. Nice. Ugh. Is this 2C red? No, it's a little bit too fast paced for Red Dead. Whenever you take damage, triple your attack speed for 5 seconds. Let's go for the additional choice. More damage. And then we're going to work on some more attack speed after this one, I think. Ugh. Alright, so as you see now I get 4. So when you get move you get adds 5% to your thing. Or let's go for a turret. So this one I'll put a little turret on there. Let's go more attack speed. More damage. Oh. Oh god, I can feel the lag going now because that kernel's getting to the end. Right, what we got here? Hill once after a dash might be a good one. Let's go for this one. So now I can just dash and get my health back. Take that one. So now I get more speed and more attack because of the marker chaos. Let's increase my crit chance. So when you see the purple colour one, that's when crit's going. Oh shit. Good. Oh shit. Right, what we got here? Let's go for the tumbleweeds. So now every so often you get a little tumbleweed coming across, which does damage as well. Go for more damage. Oh, more damage and a marker chaos, that's even good. Oh shit. Uh oh. Right, it's probably be the last boss. Yeah, here's the Undertaker. Not the cool Undertaker from wrestling, but... Yeah. Oh god, it's lagging, it's lagging. The kernel's kicking in. Right, okay. Okay. Falls off his horse and you get the second wave. I've got to miss his green snot balls. Let's go for more attack speed. There we go. And we're done. Let's go and check our kernel, see how we're doing. There we go. So it's removing all the packages now. So when this is finished, we should end up with an ISO that will we'll end up with an ISO image with our updated stuff. I then just need to copy over the I need to copy over the stuff to the persistent memory, Gutted. Well, I suppose it's got a chance to fail yet. And don't worry, we've got more stuff to do today, so there'll be time for things to fail later. What it's doing now is removing packages from the ISO that we don't need, so all the build dependencies that aren't being used, just saves on space. Just going to check in on YouTube while we're there. What's the name of it again? The name of that game is Bounty Hill 1. And don't forget YouTube's a multi-stream, so it's probably set up for something we've done earlier on. But if it's on an SD card, what is that one? Let's have a look. Oh, that is my D-box. Let me show you. What is it? Vortex. It is this device that you're seeing the specs for in YouTube. It is. Let me see if I can find a better one. Here we go. Nope, I can't find one. There we go, E-box. Yeah, so it's a dual core x86 board, which basically runs like a Pentium 3. I use it for checking stuff out to do with the Y2K38 problem. But it's only got an SD card as its hard drive space, so that's obviously what it uses. That's not what we're doing today, though. We're doing something else. I hope that one helps you. Okay. So this is now creating the squashfs file system. It'll then add the partitions for us. Thanks to Noah for adding that for us. Did it finish anytime soon? Come on. There we go. Create an ISO. There we go. Right, that's built. So we're going to mount this ISO using QEMU network block device. What that basically does is it tells Linux basically to open this up as if it was a real hard drive on my system right now. It's quite a handy thing to use. Network block device 0, and then build. There we go. I need to load the module. There we go. Now I can actually just mount this by doing mount/dev and block. Network block device 0, partition, I think it was partition 4, and I want, yeah. We'll copy over the stuff from home imlo live stream. Yeah. Mount/USB. Why is that not working? Let's put an R in there to make it recursive. There we go. Right. Now I should be able to unmount this. And now enable KVM. Let's give it 12 cores, 16 gig. Use the host CPU, and then a drive file equals what do I want? File equals builds live stream 7. Let's do that. There we go. Oh, I don't want that, do I want? There we go. Why is my system so slow today? Okay, so as you can see from here, it loads up the image of an alien. But what we want to do is make an image. So we want to change that image to something else. So let's exit that. Let's mount this file again. Right, let's go CD mount USB. So the first thing I want to do is edit live stream config. I want to start Ava high. RC service. I'm going to take a check on this. Why is my system so slow? Am I running out of space again? take a look. Yeah, my space is getting really low. I need to fix that one of these days. What I should do is finish off Final Fantasy so I can get 200 gig back. Right, let's have a thing here. So, I need to start this, don't I? So, let's just copy that. So what that's going to do now is it's going to update the host file, then it's going to start the Averhigh daemon. So that should mean that it only identifies as whatever this says. So that's that done. Now let's make an image. So let's go and grab Xena. Let's grab one of these images. That what I do. Let's just go for that one. Right, we'll save that image. Right, then let's so we're going to move. This is where I'm scared it's not going to work. And I'm going to have to do the stupid push-ups. There we go. Right, this should now work. Let's try it. Well, that didn't work. So let's do... Oh. Let's try that now. Huh? Why is that not working? All right. Mount that. Ooh. Oh. Right, XFS repair. Found that. There we go. CD USB. Alright. Eye of Mate wallpaper. Could not load wallpaper. Right, let's think about it again. Okay, so that's working. Move ls. Ooh. Eye of known. Eye of Massey, sorry. Wallpaper. Right, so that's still loading there. Let's check. Nano live stream. Right, and that should be all working, right? So let's go back. Let's mount USB, and let's try loading it. Where's it getting that image from? Huh? Huh? I don't... Wait, it's that image. So why is it not loading it? Right, let's try moving back. Right, let's then try loading this. Right. Right, let's do that. There we go. Right, now I can kill it all. Hello? Oh, security. Right, let's kill Chrome. Right. Ooh. So let's... Ah, look, there's a wallpaper there. Why is there a wallpaper there? Oh, you don't think I'm doing it in the wrong place, do you? Oh no, you know what I'm doing, don't you? Yeah, look, I'm doing home instead of mount. No wonder it's not bloody working. Oh. Why am I so stupid? Don't answer that. There we go. So, that is version 1.4 fixed. Thank fuck for that. So let's close that down. Let's mount this image back up. Because I don't want to send it to my boss with a picture of Xena the Warrior Princess in there. And USB. There we go. Now I unmount USB. Is that done? I suppose we better check this one more time just to make sure before I send it to the bus. And now it loads the proper image. Brilliant. What I probably should do... No, it's all good. We all know that works. Let's just mount it one last time, just to make sure. Yep, no, that's all good. Right. So, you mount that. We'll disconnect... NBD disconnect /dev NBD 0. Perfect. Cool. And if I go to var temp catalyst DUH There we go. I probably want to compress that image, don't I? So if I do XZ, anyone know how XZ works? Compress. I think it's XZ 9. No, not that. Hey Tommy, you alright? How you doing? Could say the same about you, mate. Well, there's lots of nuts in here. Yeah, not too bad, mate. Not too bad at all. We've just finished rebuilding the 1.7 version of, well, we've just built the 1.7 version of Livestream. Just compressing that image up to go and send off to work. I'm kind of tempted to see what Extreme does. See if it makes it any smaller. That could be quite fun. Oh, he did order the Mac. I didn't know he was going to get a Mac anyway. Who wants a Mac? Oh, I think I vaguely remember you saying about that. Okay, so that's that done. Does it put the image in there? Or is it in LS builds? Ah, there it is. Right, let's go send that image off. Internet. Mozilla. Ooh, 22 core. That's a bit of a weird thing. 22 cores, isn't it? That typo. That 12 core. Right, refresh. There she is. Ah. Oh, they put even 2 lower core ones. I wonder how that works with Gentoo. Does sound pretty good though. Right, so that's going to upload this. That's us done there. Once that's done, I'm going to make some space, and then we're going to look into. We can look into building a. What's what we're looking into? We can look into building the i486 stuff. So I'm going to go for a wee, grab a coffee. All in a 14-inch thing. That sounds awesome. I want to see this laptop. I want one. Can you get two? Right, let me go and grab a go for a quick wee. We'll let this upload, and then we're going to have to take a look at some i486. bit a while longer than I thought. Oh, man, I'm buzzing off my tits. Fucking hell. Maybe I shouldn't be having another coffee. So let's go and get this stream ready. So we're going to be looking at Gentoo problems now. Let's find this. Let's go and check in on YouTube. Where we go? All right, let's edit here. Gentoo. Ooh. i486 x86. Oh, sorry, mate. You know me. It could be worse, though, mate. I could be, like, you know, jumping through your window. That'd be even more scarier than my voice coming through. Right, there we go. So, we've updated. This is what we're going to go look into next. Right. So, with 6.15, Gentoo Linux, not Gentoo Linux, the Linux kernel is dropping support for i486 systems. Apparently. I thought it'd be a good idea to go and test that, see how things actually are going to look when that happens. So I have got a Toshiba laptop from 1992. Let me show you that. Toshiba, there we go. There, I got a Toshiba T2130CS. Yeah, which is basically like a 70 megahertz thing, 75 megahertz processor. There we go, and this is what it looks like. 24 megabytes of RAM. My one's been upgraded slightly with a whopping 24 megabytes of RAM. So what we're going to go and do today is see, can we get that working today? So things we need to do is rebuild the rebuild stage 3 to get the memory usage down. We'll probably use OZ for that. OZ, those of you who don't know, is like OS, but it cuts down as much binary space as possible. So if it takes an extra 30 minutes to compile, but it'll save you 2 kilobytes, it will do that. But when you've got 24 megabytes of RAM, it's important to do that kind of thing, you know. As this. Hello? Shouting me out the window. Oh, only? Can I have 10% of that? That'd do me nicely. Right, let's go and clean some of this up. So let's go to CD builds. Let's remove 23 default. And let's remove live stream as well. Fucking hell, that's even more expensive than where I live. Our average house is like $250,000, I think. Right, that's 40 gig. Right, that's enough to start with, I guess. So let's go. Wow, I never thought the UK was actually better than somewhere else. Right, let's make directory. So what we're going to do is we're going to install a 486 system on my computer as is, because obviously compiling on a 75 megahertz processor is stupid. And obviously the live CD is not even going to work on it anyway. So let's just make a i486 directory. Let's pop over here. Let's go to dist files. Releases x86. We want the i486 stage. Let's copy that. £31 a month, fuck it now. That's not bad actually. I think the UK app rents are going to go up because of the new laws that are coming out to make sure that things are more up to standard. We've got quite a lot of good new laws coming out around that sort of stuff, so you can no longer be a dodgy. Hang on. Right. Okay. TIXF stage 3. I don't know what the electries are like over in the UK, but... Oh, fuck! Look what I did. I accidentally fucking shit. I accidentally untiled that in the wrong directory. Shit. So let's remove bin, boot, dev, etc. Home, lib, media, mint, mount, opt, rock, root, run. It's been this temp user and var. Right, let's make sure I got everything there. There we go. Right, let's go back into i486. Okay. So that's nano, etc. Make voltage, make config. So we're going to drop this down to OZ. We'll add link time optimization to get that speed down just a little bit more. Let's lower the make-ops as well on this. So let's do make-ops equals J. Let's just give it 20. I think that is... Oh no, we need to copy over etc. resolve config, don't we? Right, arch charroot dot. There we go. Right, so now we can do an emerge sync. Ooh, coffee's good. Okay. So, we now need to rebuild the entire system with these new C flags. So, verbose ask E for empty tree, which basically tells it to rebuild everything at world. So we can see here, everything's going to rebuild. Looks good to me. Right. What I probably want to do is add some jobs to that. So let's just do 6 jobs. Right, so it's 200. Hang on. Hello, mate. Right, so that's that building through. Well, I guess this is going to be a bit boring for a while, so let's pop back in a few hours, I guess, when this is finished. I'm going to grab some lunch and that. So, thank you all for coming along for this part, and I will see you all on part 2, I guess.